Yes, dear student, now I am going to derive second equation of uniformly accelerated linear motion. Here, a body starts from point O at time t equal to 0 with constant acceleration a. You can write it yourself, I will not write here because it will take long time. What I said, a body starts moving from point O at time t equal to 0. Let it go to point B, it goes to point A and B at time t1 and t2, where its velocities are v1 and v2. v1, v2 means velocity changing here with time because of this acceleration. Now we want to find out xt, this is xt1, so displacement or distance of body traveled from O to A in time t1, and xt2 is the distance traveled in time t2. Here, because body is moving in straight line, so magnitude of displacement is equal to distance. To find out this distance, which velocity we should take, so you can describe at time t1, t equal to 0, body start from point A, goes to point A and B respectively at time t1, t2, acceleration, velocity at point A and B are vt1, vt2, and there is constant acceleration. In case of uniformly accelerated motion, the magnitude of average velocity over a given interval of time is equal to the half of final and initial velocity. That is, V average equal to Vt1 plus Vt2 upon 2. Please follow the writing ethics. I have observed, I am observing for many years. This line and equal to sign are not written in front of each other. This should be written like that. So actually, basic concept of finding distance is equal to speed in time or velocity in time. Basic concept of finding distance traveled is equal to the speed multiplied by time. So here problem was that velocity is increasing with time. Which velocity we take to find out this distance AB? So we have taken average, but this is true only here in case of uniformly accelerated motion, not any other motion. And hence xt2 minus xt1 is equal to V average into t2 minus t1. Simple, है ना? Or V average is how much? Vt1 plus Vt2 upon 2 into T2 minus T1. Now, from equation 1, you know, from equation 1, that is Vt2 is equal to Vt1 plus A into T2 minus T1. So here in place of Vt2 here, we write this thing. Very simple. So xt2 minus xt1 is equal to Vt1 plus Vt1 plus A into T2 minus T1 upon 2 into T2 minus T1. What I have done, in place this Vt2, I have written this thing here. This V2 already there. Vt1 plus Vt1. It will be how much? 2 Vt1. 2 Vt1 by 2. Let me write, otherwise you will get confused. Plus A into T2 minus T1 upon 2 into T2 minus T1. In your schools or different teachers don't take care of this method because they feel that children are getting bored. Everything is learned with some problems. But once we have got it, that is our own knowledge. We should learn here. We are not here just to pass the exam. In class 11, 12, you have to learn a lot of things which will work in your whole life. The learning here will make your life much easier to live. xt2 minus xt1 is equal to Vt1 plus half A into T2 minus T1. I think I have written like this. I have split these two, or hence xt2 minus xt1 is equal to Vt1 into T2 minus T1, opening the curly bracket, or plus half A into T2 minus T1 whole square. This is the actual form of equation 2. Equation 2 has this form, or you can write it as xt2 is equal to xt1 plus Vt1 into T2 minus T1 plus half A into T2 minus T1 whole square. Now, if T1 equal to 0 or T2 equal to T, then equation 2 can be written as xt minus x0 is equal to V0t plus half AT square, or xt equal to x0 plus V0t plus half AT square. You might be thinking where they will work. Actually, there are motion of axial motion under gravity. Here is the ground and is the building. So body thrown from here with velocity v0. So already this height is x0. अगर आपसे पूछा गया कि ये कहाँ जाएगा, how much height will be there in time t from the ground, so you can directly use xt बराबर x0 plus v0t plus half at square. In place of axial motion, we use a equal to g. You know it is 9.8, or somewhere it may be given as 10. I think very clear to all of you this derivation. Now third equation. Here थर्ड इक्वेशन, किसका इक्वेशन कर रहे हैं हम? इक्वेशन ऑफ यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन. Actually only there are two motions, equations only. Vt2 is equal to Vt1 plus half plus a into t2 minus t1, first equation. And secondly, xt2 minus xt1 is equal to Vt1 into t2 minus t1 plus half a into t2 minus t1 whole square. These two equations are sufficient to solve the problem of uniformly accelerated motion. But why I am taking third equation? Actually, third equation you obtain by eliminating time t2 minus t1 from these two equations. If we eliminate time interval, then we get third equation. How to eliminate? We have solved many questions in algebra, solution of linear pair equation by elimination method. So here now we know Vt2 equal to Vt1 plus a into t2 minus t1. What is a uniform acceleration A? This A is acceleration Vt2 and Vt1. Squaring both the sides. Squaring both sides of this equation. While writing on the board, some spelling may be wrong. Please don't take care of that. You can adjust yourself. तो स्क्वायरिंग किया तो v स्क्वायर t2 इक्वल टू Vt1 प्लस a इंटू t2 माइनस t1 होल स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन किस साइड का स्क्वायर किया इसका पूरा, कभी सोचो इसका क्या. नाउ यू नो a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर. How do you write? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as b square t2 equal to b square t1 plus 2 Vt1 into a into t2 minus t1 or plus half a square into t2 minus t1 whole square. This method is simple. How to eliminate t? From here v square t1, here you can take 2a common. So Vt1 into t2 minus t1. Though t2 minus t1 is also one, but I have not taken for sake of simplicity. ये half की diagonal है. Sorry, this half is not there. A square plus b plus b square बने. Now it come half here plus half a into t2 minus t1 square. And you know what is this? From equation 2, Vt1 into t2 minus t1 plus half a into t2 minus equal to xt2 minus xt1, and hence this equation comes to be equal to Vt2 equal to, sorry, v square t2 equal to v square t1 plus 2a or into xt2 minus xt1. Again, if the third equation, again here t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to t, then we can write here v square t equal to v square 0 plus 2a into xt minus x0, which you have learned in lower classes as b square equal to u square plus 2as. While solving, I will use also this form. Maybe इसी को use करूँगा. Maybe I will use the same. But there are many problems in different exams. Dear children, dear students, please you work hard. You have to learn the things. In class 11, 12, lot of things are learned which help us in everyday life in our future. When we are studying science anywhere else, especially the medical student, engineering student, when come to see me, they tell me, sir, what you have taught, every step it was there. And they keep my notes also. One of my students actually was given homework in degree college, and he, you see, completed with the help of my notes and then so by to his professor. His professor could not believe you can write like this. He was asked, where from you have written? Sir, it was taught in class 12, 11, 12. So how it is possible to write all such notes? We were explained and taught and dictated everything on the board. So that way you will feel much happy there when the things you have learned in class 11, 12 is come in your way to solve your problems. Now, one more equation is there of uniformly acting motion. I mean, that is distance traveled in nth second, s nth, let's go s nth. Distance traveled in nth second. If body is moving with constant speed or velocity, then in every second body will travel equal distances. So there is no problem. If I say a body is moving with 10 meters per second, so distance traveled in 11th second is 10 meter, in 12th second is 10 meter, in 20 second 10. But if acceleration there, then in every second the distance will be different. So in next video I will take that equation also.